I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing the Ally by Golden Technologies, so stay tuned. The Ally comes in a box like this. There's two straps over it that we're going to cut off with our knife. Be careful to not cut into the product, cut upwards. Then the lid just comes off. And we can see our unit in here. There is two pieces of foam up top. One of them has what looks like your charger in it. And there we go. There we can see our unit right here. I believe I can just lift this up. So we can see the unit sitting in here just like this. Now, if you can, or if you're able to, this unit's not that heavy, about 48 pounds, I believe. You can lift it up and out, or you could get a second person to help you out. It's just sitting in here. And I'm going to try to lift it up and get the foam off too. And there is our power chair. Luckily it's already assembled. We do have our owner's manual right here. Now I'm going to take a moment to get rid of all the packing material, and then we're going to unfold the power chair. We have the unit here. It is basically pre-assembled, ready to go. All we have to do is unfold it. There is a bar in the back here we're going to push down on and then lift up on here. And then it unfolds a lot like a stroller. And it's going to you're going to kind of push it forward as well. Just like that. I just kind of lift it up, and then it unfolded itself, moved forward. So it helps kind of pull up. Like I said, it's a lot like a stroller. Everything should be set up already. The battery's already in. The power should come on almost immediately. So I'm going to turn the power on. It's got a startup sequence. You're going to wait about 3 seconds or so. And right now it's telling me brake release, and it will not drive. This means we are in neutral. Neutral allows you to push the unit if the batteries were to die. In order to take it out of neutral, we're going to go to these two white levers, push them both up into the lock position. Then we have to turn the power off and back on again. So I'm going to hold the power button for a few seconds. It'll turn off. I'm going to turn it back on again. And now the unit is locked. You have to press the power button one more time. Once the unit is powered on, you press the power button once. That'll unlock it. And now we can drive the unit. Now I'm going to give a quick overview on how to take the battery out in case you want to do that. There is a knob right here. We're going to turn this. There's one on the other side. We want it facing up and down. This allows us to remove this latch. Then the battery just comes right out. Just like that. You can charge the battery off board, just like that. Sliding it back in, just goes in, make sure it snaps. And then we'll close these, turn our two levers to lock it, and we'll just double check. And I have power, we're good to go. This has been how to unbox and assemble the Ally by Golden Technologies. If you're interested in this unit or you need more information, please give us a call, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.